Agency nursing basically is isa kang nurse na nagtatrabaho outside your common employer. Pwede ka magtrabaho sa isang hospital or sa care home, pero you're working through an agency, a third party. Yung nakalista ka dun. And they're the ones sort of employing you, giving you.
Hello, titos and titas of UK. Nagpapadala ka ba sa Pilipinas pero nagbabayad ka pa ng fees at nagpupunta ka pa sa office o di kaya kailangan mo pang tumawag? Well, let me introduce to you TapTapSend. TapTapSend is all in the app, napakadali lang, and wala ng fees. Yes, you heard me right. Wala ka nang babayaran pa. At mataas pa palitan. So, ang kagandahan niyan, pag ginamit niyo pa ang aming code, which is Pinoy UK, you get an extra 15 pounds on your first padala.